don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi people, good morning. I'm Kavita and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm going to show you how to make Makhana Seviyaan Kheer today. Makhana is also called as fox nuts in English. These are popped lotus seeds, and these are recently in trend, not just for diet but also for baby food, and it can be included in a lot of yummy recipes. It is gluten free, it is rich in fiber, heart healthy. So I have made it into a great dessert, simple yet yummy. So let's dive right in and see how to make it. Let's get started by adding makhana or fox nuts to a pan, followed by ghee. Fry it for about 3 to 5 minutes until you get that nice aroma. Once done, keep it aside to cool down. Further, in the same pan, add ghee, chopped almonds, some chopped cashew nuts. You can even add raisins, pista, or any dry fruits of your choice like walnuts, etc. And roasting it in ghee gives a complete different flavor and adds on to the taste. So I'm frying it here, and once done, you can again put this aside. Now the makhana or lotus seeds would have cooled down, and we will take half of it and make a fine powder out of it. This gives that thickness to the kheer and adds on to the flavor. So half of it is getting powdered now. This Wonder Chef blender jar is my hot favorite, and you can see me using it all the time. The link if you want to buy it is in the description box. Keep this powder aside. Now in the pan, I'm adding milk, about 2 cups. The exact measurement of all the ingredients, as always, is given in the description box. The link to our blog, you can check that. I'm adding sugar here. You can replace with your favorite type of jaggery, palm, or anything as you wish, but sugar in case your kid insists on that white color of kheer. So once it gets boiled well, we will start adding other ingredients. Cardamom powder, kesar badam powder. This really gave good taste when added. It's optional though. Now the makhana powder which I have just prepared, I'm adding it in here. Mix it well. If the spatula isn't helping, using a whisk is better. So once mixed well, allow it to boil again, and then we will add roasted seviyaan, about 50 grams, and fried nuts. You can keep it for the decoration later, or you can add it now. I'm adding makhana, and once you add in everything, mix and simmer it for about 7 minutes, because you want those makhana to get cooked and get soft, suitable to the kheer. So this is the well cooked kheer, and it's all ready. Take a nice bowl and serve it hot, or you can even chill it and serve it as a nice dessert. This is a real tasty, yummy Makhana Seviyaan Kheer, all ready to be served. This can be given to 12 months and above babies, and hope you like this recipe. If you did, do not forget to like, comment and share this video. We'll see you in yet another recipe. Take care of yourself till then. Bye-bye.